So hello guys, today we are going to check what's the new update brings to this old Galaxy S3 watch from Samsung. So it just recently received a new update. I'll show you about that. So it now says One UI version 1.0 and Tizen version to 4.0.0.4. So basically this update brings the overall UI changes to the old watch. So this is the new Samsung One UI, which Samsung is now focusing to make the user interface bit easier for users. So I'll walk you through the new features and the new widgets and all the new UI changes what are included in this update and the tweaks which Samsung did in background. So we'll start from Samsung Health. So this is a revamped version of like what we have earlier, where we used to get our calories burned, total workout time, and how much hours like you sleep in last week. So this is the overall your weekly data shown in a different way. Okay, so this is the first update, and this is changed inside the app too. So if you open the Samsung Health app, so this is like the new UI for the Samsung Health app. From here you can directly check all those things in the details and go to the settings to set the target for this. So next, go to this was the new Samsung widget for this. So if you go to Samsung Health workouts, so I have a shortcut here. So you can check like you have a new option here, that is settings, and this UI is also changed. Earlier we used to have a circular UI with the icons around the corner, but now it's a list type of UI, and every uh, workout has a setting. So from here you can select between how what sorry, the workout will be type of like basic workout with no calories burns and duration. It is like it will keep going on until you stop. Second is the duration based workout, and third is the based workouts. And now you can configure like what you want to check on your workout screens, the screens which are available during the workout. So first one is you can check like music controllers, target screen. So you can, if you have set a target, you can check those. So on the scroll, what things you want to see, everything is customizable, and that too for two screens. So this is the second thing in Samsung Health. Now there is a guide. So when you start a workout, okay, so this UI is changed, the timer is new, kind of things, and these settings are fully customizable now. And this is your music preference. So this UI is again changed. So Samsung has like new One UI, so you'll get these type of cross buttons, new type of buttons. So I'm just finishing this off. I'll show you one more setting inside this, that is haptic feedback guide. So basically you can now set, yes, guide. So you can set that watch will remind you if you want at what time it should remind you that you have completed 5 minutes, or like if you set 10 minutes. So this is for that. So it will be a haptic vibration feedback. So I've shown you the timer. There is a new pause screen too, so that I also already showed you. So this is the new UI. So this is all done, and when you stop the workout, you'll get a beep to like acknowledge that the workout is stopped. So apart from Samsung Health and all those widgets, the new thing is the quick setting. So this is fully revamped now. You can directly check the values for these, like if this is brightness, you can directly check from the icon how much brightness I have set, and if the ringer volume. And the second major update is like this is now swipeable, so you can have many more quick settings. You can add from here whatever you quick settings you want. So this is very cool. And if like you do anything, Like if you set not NFC on, so you will directly get the update here only that it's turned on. After the quick settings, the major revamp is in settings. So if you go to settings from directly the quick setting menu, so under like basically this UI is changed. You have new different icons with colorful images for those, and so I'll go to the first new changes, that is inside advanced. So you have got like now we have many more options available to control how we use the watch. So there is a new option called touch wake up. So I'll show you. So like if the display is off, you can directly turn it on by touching the display. So earlier it was not there. Either you have to press a button or rotate your bezel to wake up. Those features are already available here. So inside this second option is this you can customize your daily briefings. So now you can turn it on. I have already turned it off, and you can set the timers for the when you want this briefing to be exact. So this is also customized now. After that, uh, you can also like control, like if you want to take a screenshot, so you can turn off that feature also. Like if you don't want to take a screenshot mistakenly, you can turn these off. So there is much more customization available in this version. So next is inside apps, and now like you can check for the apps permission directly. So inside permission you have all your apps, and you can select which apps can access what thing. So like here it is asking for source permission, and inside this is asking for sensor permissions. So this will ask for sensor permission. So these are the different permissions. So inside contacts you will have call, his user history, all those permissions. So you can all manage and like have a track on what app is using what permission. So it's more focused on privacy. Apart from that, all those things are old. So you have a accounts option now, where you can check your account directly from here. So whose Samsung account is login, and you can check the terms and condition and privacy policy. Next is next few changes are inside battery now. These are old battery power saving modes, but inside this you get a new option of optimize the battery. What this feature will do is this will show you the different settings for the watch. If you set these settings to these, it will give you optimized battery backup. So my watch is already optimized, so I don't think to make any changes. And now you can also select your location settings, how you want your GPS to be operated, only GPS based, only wireless based, or wireless and both GPS based. Apart from that, the major UI is changed. Nothing in the how the watch works is changed. I have read few places like there is few optimization in battery department, like and now it is more optimized. So here also like there is a little bit of change in this. When notification comes, the background shade is different, and few more UI tweaks. So this is the whole update for the Galaxy S3. So Samsung is trying to make it easier to operate, and also keeping the software new, and with even with even with all the other watches available. So Galaxy watch is getting this software, as well as the Galaxy Sport is also getting the software update. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching this. I'll soon update different videos about Galaxy S3 if this gets any new update. So please subscribe my channel, and thank you very much.